Hey guys, never fear Reggie here. Today I'll be using the Pantene Gold Series line during this complete wash day. Make sure you guys stick to the end because I'll be giving out my full review on this line. Let's get started. So first I drenched my hair until it was completely saturated with water, and next I went on and took the Gold Series Moisture Boost shampoo and applied it directly to my head and scalp. So starting out, guys, I start from the roots of my head, my scalp, and I make sure that is deeply cleansed because I want to make sure my hair is all the way pure. So after that, I go ahead and move the shampoo suds throughout my hair strands to make sure each strand is coated. And after that, I take the shampoo and I rinse it out with the water. I did not get a close-up of my scalp, but I assure you guys my head is deeply cleansed. Okay, so now that after I finished deeply washing my hair, I went on to conditioner my hair to get it nice, soft, and moisturized. So the conditioner I chose to use was the Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner, and I applied it directly to my hair. So guys, next I went on and used my conditioner on the ends of my hair first because those are the oldest parts of my hair, and I used my detangling comb and my tangle teaser that I just recently bought just to focus it and get the conditioner to go through each strand easily. This helps me just remove any shed hair that's in the tangles, any knots, loosen those up so I can get my hair nice and detangled. Now that I am almost done detangling, guys, I want to go ahead and show you in this next clip the shed hair that I got from this wash day doing these products. That's it right there. Nothing much at all. So for my deep condition, I will be using the Bella Curls Moisturizing Nourishing Deep Conditioning Mask. Right here, this is me rinsing out the deep conditioner. So I focus the deep conditioner mostly on my ends because those are the oldest parts of my hair and they do need it the most. Now, I did not hit record on this process. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. But to go through it, I took 4 sections of my hair and I banded them separately and covered my hair with a plastic bag. I left that plastic bag on for 20 minutes, and then after I deep condition, which is very important for you to go back and remove any tangles and knots with a comb, even after you deep condition. If you made it this far, give me a like. I'm going to go through this really quickly. So I used the Miel Avocado Hair Milk on my hair for my leave-in conditioner, and I went in with the Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream for my cream. Just to tangle my hair again, guys. Make sure the cream gets all the way through my hair. I put my hair in some twists because I wanted to try a new style, like a twist and go. It was okay. I should have used smaller sections, but the consistency of this cream is really good. I'm about to go ahead and just hop into the product review line, what you guys been waiting for, which is the title of the video. Right here, I'm just detangling my hair again, getting through each end. Right here is the final result of this method of this hairstyle. Not really fully done drying yet, but it came out pretty good throughout the week. Let's go hop into the summary. Final thoughts on this line. The shampoo for this product line was definitely moisturizing, hydrating, and it definitely cleansed my scalp. But my scalp was not left dry either. I could definitely tell the conditioner had argan oil in it because my hair was definitely shiny. It had tons of slip, and it left my hair feeling super moisturized. And last but not least, for the buttercream, guys, I'm going to be honest, there was definitely a proper balance with that and the Miel Avocado Hair Milk. But if you wanted to just use that cream as a single solo product, it definitely has enough moisture and enough type of balance in its actual product alone to give you that. All in all, I probably give this line about a 7 in total. This was a great line by Pantene. By the way, most of these products contain glycerin, so if you're looking for a product with glycerin in it, hey, try it out. But like I said, Reggie's here. I'm trying to get my videos out to the masses, guys. Keep coming through, keep supporting. Your boy's gonna keep growing, keep blowing up. Peace!